What do you think is one of the rarest life skills? In my opinion, the answer is being in a good mood for no reason. It's strange, really, because in everyday life, we often see people who are easily in a bad mood, cynical, grumpy, or angry for no apparent reason. And oddly enough, that's often considered normal. We often hear phrases like, "oh well, that's just the way he is." But rarely do people practice the opposite. Rarely do they deliberately learn to maintain a good attitude, stay warm, and stay light-hearted, even when life is mundane. In fact, I believe that a good mood isn't just something that comes naturally. A good mood is also a skill. It means it can be trained and become a habit. A simple example, when we start to get used to thinking that good things will happen, our brain slowly starts looking for evidence for it. It becomes easier for us to notice small things that we previously overlooked, like help from others, a small joke, a new opportunity, or something simple that turned out to be something to be grateful for. That doesn't mean life suddenly becomes perfect. Problems still come, bad days still come, but the difference lies in how we view life. Because if our minds are constantly accustomed to looking for treats and disappointments, we easily become immersed in negative thoughts. The slightest problems feels big. The slightest mistakes feels like the end of the world. That's why sometimes we need to pause and ask ourselves, have I been tending towards negativity it's time? If the answer is yes, maybe it's not because we're weak, maybe we've just been accustomed to living in a bad mood for too long. And the good news is that patterns can be changed. We can start training ourselves to be calmer, lighter, warmer, and more grateful. Not by forcing ourselves to always be happy, but by not constantly feeding negative thoughts. I think everyone deserves peace without having to wait for life to be perfect. And perhaps maturity isn't about becoming hard or cold towards life, but it's about making calm a natural habit within ourselves.